Welcome to Disney's Saratoga Springs Resort. This is a 2-bedroom villa in the grandstand. Bedroom has a closet here, another closet, television, chair, 2 queen beds, a bathroom. We have dual sinks, some storage area, tub and shower in it. We'll go back out into the entryway. Let's take area, a full kitchen, second television. This is a twin size bed. It does fit an adult. I have slept in this before. Chairs, great view, and another bed that pulls down from the wall. Great seating area, washer and dryer, and then into this bathroom will go. We have the shower here, a little bit of storage under that sink, and the toilet. This one opens up to the tub. Sink there. This closet has the safe and the ironing board. A third television here and the king size bed.